Kikimbutin mo pa. Toy.
Sandali lang dyan. Pakitanggalin sa likod. Pakitanggal. Okay. Ready, let's go!
Good job. Oh, it's Diana. How about Diana?
Hi, Casey! Mama, I'm thousand uniform na.
Oh, sige.
Like Casey.
Oo, okay lang. Hold on tight.
Oh, you're very strong now. I think you should have one like this in your house.
Yes.
Oh, wait until you come up.
Up, up, up.
Oh, you look at your mom. Here's the other side.
It's video.
Okay, video.
Good job. Ah, tumalsik yung isa dyan. Ang linis ng medyas niya.
Dapat hindi na.
Oo nga eh. Hindi na ba nagsabi na dapat tanggalin ang shoes? Up, up, bababa ka?
Bababa.
Ha, daw ka mababa. Jazzy! Jazzy, don't push naman siya! You just wait.
Don't use your legs step on the nut. They are stronger. The one who makes door, that one. And that.
Okay, go.
Malapit natin.
Ang galing ni Hada. Galing din ni Jazzy.
Nathan, you don't have to bend. You hold up. Hold on the higher leg. You don't have to bend. So low. Yes. Step on the knot. Step on this. your turn.
Wait lang, Jazzy.
Nathan, just
Go,
it's your
Hada.
turn. It's okay.
Galing! Galing ni Jazzy. Dito. Dito, bababa. Dito, bababa. Si Hada! Where's Jazzy? Yeah! You did it. This is Ate Diana. Go. Now it's Jazzy's turn. Ito si Jazzy. I'm scared. Ang bilis naman umakyat. Hi, dali! May araw. Ang init. Dali! Mainit! Mainit si Mami!
Come, Nathan, I will work with
Oh, si Jen.
Baba, nadawin na tayo. Iwanan ka na ni French. Wait pa dyan. Iwanan ka na.
Go! Ang bilis
Baba
niya
na.
na. Si Jazzy. Go, Jazzy. Hawak ka sa taas. Dali. Ang galing ni Jazzy. Go, Jasmine.
over you. No, it is
Yeah.
not okay. Give a lot of juice.
Okay. Nasaan si Diana? Ay!
Ikaw ka na nakuha.